Hello mga ka-Aryans! Welcome again dito sa ating YouTube channel na ArkaynTV. And you know, I'm very happy to be back. Sa araw na ito, will be another episode po para sa ating Foodies. At kagaya na lamang nung episode 1 natin, magmumula uli itong aking ipinagmamalaking estudyante mula sa grade 11 para sa natatangin na namang recipe. And I hope panoorin at tapusin ninyo ang video na ito dahil malaking dagdag ito para sa recipe ninyo araw-araw. So, halina at panoorin natin ang version ng Tonkatsu ni Ricshelle.
I decided to make tonkatsu with garlic mayo for our quarterly assessment. For the ingredients, we will be needing pepper, salt, egg, pork chop, flour, and breadcrumbs. And of course, garlic and mayo for the dip. For the first step, I season the pork with salt and pepper to taste. I prepared all the remaining ingredients, which are the eggs, flour, and breadcrumbs. Then I coat the pork in flour, then dip it in beaten egg, then coat well with breadcrumbs. After coating all of the porks, I fried the pork in preheated oil and waited until it is golden brown. After frying, I set it aside to drain the excess oil. Excess oil, I prepared the dip, which is the garlic mayo. I used 3 cloves of garlic and minced it. I put the mayo in a bowl and then added the garlic, and then I decided to add some salt and pepper to add to the taste. Lastly, I cut the pork into small pieces and then we're done.
Aryans, I hope nag-enjoy at nagustuhan ninyo ang ating Foodies episode 2. Pero kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to subscribe at paki-like and share na rin ang ating mga videos. At syempre, para lagi kang updated sa mga future videos ko, paki-click mo na rin yung notification bell. At muli, maraming salamat at wait lang kayo sa aking mga next videos. Paalam!